In this video, I'm bringing you to awesome spots that help keep Austin weird. I'm Clint James. I'm riding 1 million kilometers around the world solo. It's the longest motorcycle journey in human history. Now, my computer took the shitter in Brazil. I need my laptop in order to document evidence required for my Guinness World Record attempt.
The screen is entirely blurred out. Time to get a new screen.
So, I'm flying back to Austin, Texas.
That's so sick.
Number one,
Hippie Hollow.
we're going streaking! Hippie Hollow is Austin's nude beach, and the only nude beach in Texas. It's been popular since the 1960s, and it's where all my gay friends spend their entire summer. Number two, Waterloo Records. Austin, Texas is the live music capital of the world, and a big part of that is this 50-year-old independent music record store. If you like vinyl, or if you just want to pick up some really cool magnets or stickers, Waterloo Records is as iconic as it gets. And if you purchase anything, Waterloo Records will include a free surprise gift, which is just fun. Number three, there's actually a secret bowling alley on Congress, like the primary downtown street. Really cool. No one knows about it. Like even Austinite people don't know about it, but it's on like the second floor of a bar. Bowling alley is dope as f. It's all old school, like 1920s, like original bowling alley. The secret bowling alley is in the bar Speakeasy. I actually won a Halloween costume contest here at this bar. I painted this Cheerios box by hand. Number four, Blue Genie. Blue Genie hosts 2 events per year, the Holiday Bazaar and then the May Festival. About 200 artists gather to sell their handcraft goods.
Dude, that's so sick.
The events are open to the public, and you can pick up some absolute memorable gifts here. Last time I went, I picked up a new wallet.
I can't get just like one sheet of leather and then folds it up, stitches it right into a little bit.
Click, you're playing with it.
First time.
Is that an incandescent light bulb?
You can feel the heat from it too.
Blue Genie also rents its space to different art organizations in Austin, including Lone Star Zine Fest, which is almost a decade old. Number 5, Austin Pets Alive, aka APA, and their thrift stores. They have multiple thrift stores throughout Austin. I just cleaned out my storage locker, and so last time I was here, someone broke into my locker, stole like $1,500 worth of. I had insurance with Orange Door Insurance. Orange Door gave 0. They're like, go f yourself. Allstate, on the other hand, I had renter's insurance with, and they covered everything. When I cleaned out my storage locker, someone else's unit was broken into. There are all these bugs in here? What the f? This wasn't insects. This was rat feces. This entire section of units allegedly had a rat infestation. I'm editing this video right now. The entire public storage facility allegedly had rats. And then Orange Door Insurance has a $250 max cap for vermin damage. Rats chewed through this, munching on my art projects. Gosh. Fortunately, not all my items were contaminated by rat. Some items were still secure, locked inside my own storage crates. These items I donated to APA Thrift, and I knew they would find a good home for it. These stores are also gold mines for UT gear.
Those are so sick.
Historically, Austin did not have a professional sports team, so UT was very much the city's team to root for.
He's going for the corner! He's got it!
If you're looking for UT gear, you can also check out Target and Walmart.
Everyone's happy to be here. Like the employees are happy to work here.
Target, I feel like the merchandise is a little bit more thoughtful, a little bit more better designed, but you know, both those places, your Walmart, your Target, are gonna be great. All these hats for 16 bucks. There's some pretty bomb ones here, like that gray one right there. Black and gray right here. Discount stores like Ross, TJ Maxx, and Marshalls will get UT gear So Marshall's is without a doubt one of my favorite stores to go to. If you time it right, you can get some really great sports gear, UT gear in my case, for next to nothing. But a lot of the times that shit's gonna be sold out right away. So I look in the children's section, because maybe your friends have kids, you can buy some cheap UT gear. That a lot of times is still in stock. Both Academy Sports and the UT bookstore will have UT gear, but I found it to be a bit more expensive than the other places I've already listed. Atown has some absolute sick items, but we'll come back to this store a little bit later. Number 6, Town Lake or Lady Bird Lake. The name of this lake is the biggest controversy here in Austin for the past 20 years. The controversy revolves around the idea that Lady Bird Johnson did not want to have this lake renamed in her honor while she was still alive. However, Austin City Council did rename Town Lake to be Lady Bird Lake in 2007. We won't talk about the controversy here in this video. I do a deep investigation into this controversy in a video that's linked in the video description. This lake actually isn't even a lake at all.
Yes, I know.
It's part of the Colorado River. This lake is the place to go in the summer, and you'll see people on paddleboards, kayaks, bringing out grills and their puppies. And I guarantee by August, 30% of this lake is urine. Number 7, any Austin cafe. Coffee is a big part of Austin culture. I'm including 2 great spots for you to check out. First is Spokesman Highland. This is an awesome place to get work done. For a 16-ounce coffee, it was $7 after tip. Coffee itself was $6 and then $1 tip. I think that's fair. And that to be $7.22. The local artist Bricks just went absolutely ham during COVID, and there are some really cool Easter eggs hidden in here.
What's really funny is this is backwards, right? But then in the mirror, it's spelled forwards.
It's so cool. Bricks told me he wanted to create a place that was uplifting, so there are a ton of pets and animals and familiar faces painted in here. So this is Trey, one of the co-founders here. He was right behind me when I was working the whole time. Number 8, the second cafe is Lazarus. In Austin, many cafes will become bars at nighttime. There are a couple Lazaruses here in Austin, Texas. I'm at the airport location today, and it's actually the first time I've gone to this Lazarus in particular. If you've watched any other video on Austin, Texas, they have probably already talked to you about how cool a place Lazarus is. A taco here costs $3 to $5. I also got bottomless tea for $4. I'm a big fan of David Foster Wallace. Pretty interesting to listen to. Number 9, Central Machine Works, which is a newer bar, and it's all outdoors, and it's got the giant like Austin distillery vats that you're used to seeing. And
motorcycle kind of.
Yeah, the airplane parts and shit. Number 10, Big Tex Gym. Now, I know this is not the time to remind you that you have to work out, but fitness is a massive part of Austin, Texas, and Big Tex Gym is as iconic as it gets. This gym got me through COVID. During COVID, gyms were forced to close down, which I personally think was a very bad decision and really hurt people's mental health and cabin fever during this time. But Big Tex came up with a creative loophole. They let 2 cleaning people enter the gym at a time and spend up to 90 minutes cleaning the gym. There were 32 cleaners every 24 hours, and that helped keep the cleaners sane and the gym from going under. That was also the year I competed in bodybuilding for the first time. So I would spend pretty much every weekend, I would come up here and I'd pose in these mirrors. Because you can actually hang up a mirror like this inside your bathroom wall, but one of the biggest challenges for bodybuilding is you gotta be able to see your back right there. And I can see it. Really great competitors. I think that's Mark Loebreiner. You've got Johnny Jackson right there. Phil Heath and Jay Cutler are on this wall. Dude, Ronnie Coleman's trained here. This is definitely a special place of Austin. Number 11, HEB. Yes, a grocery store. HEB and Central Market have a shit ton of memes they're always flooded with grackles, which are these birds that come straight from hell. They emit this sharp metallic screech, but Austin loves these birds. Number 12. Austin Central Library. Austin has a big library culture. There are 22 public libraries, including the Austin Central Library, which is insane. It's 6 floors, arguably the most expensive library in the United States. It cost $126 million to build. It was opened officially in 2017. Now, it's my favorite place to work, and it's just really nice if you're stuck on a problem and need a state change to reset your mind. When I would cut for bodybuilding shows, and it became really tough to think about anything but food because you're literally starving for 3 months, I would always come here and pick out a few Batman movies to get me through. There's an awesome bookstore with some beautiful shirts and stickers, and there's a gorgeous cafe inside/attached to the library. And they'll even let you drink coffee while you're working in certain parts of the library.
So this guy, not bad, $5. $5 out the door with tip.
I think this is probably the best coldbrew I've had in Austin. This library.
There are a lot of homeless individuals here in Austin, and some are genuinely trying to improve their situation. It's nice that these individuals have a safe place where they can go to get out of the elements, charge their electronics, and use a computer to learn or to pursue a personal passion.
You can actually just check out the laptop. How sick is that?
So the library actually stays open until 8 p.m. every night, which that's really, really cool.
13, you're going to get a BOGO special. Atown and Toy Joy, both these places are on Burnett Road. An easy way to remember Burnett instead of saying Burnett is burn it, durn it, learn it. Atown is an awesome place to get cool souvenirs.
So sick. What you looking at, Colin? Hair clips, interesting. They got a burger hair clip. Yo, check out all that Texas gear. So, I think they rely a little bit on people visiting Austin maybe once, and you fall in love with a product and you're gonna pay a premium here. But they've got some good shit.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Yo, look at how gorgeous this sticker is.
That was cool.
Super cool. Dude, this isn't even, I mean, it's a lot for a sticker, but it's a cool sticker. Do you think it's over or under $40? 25, that's my guess. At 33. 33.
Nice.
Yeah. It's a really pretty shirt. Flag's sick too.
And Toy Joy, despite being filled with almost all adults, is not a sex toy shop, just a normal toy shop.
This is a vegan ice cream shop inside the toy store.
So not that normal.
So sick. These cheap Chinese Legos are great because, like, I can actually afford these guys. Never mind, it's $12.
Thanks, that's it. I hope you have a blast in Austin, Texas. If this video gives you a few ideas of places where you can go, it'd be awesome if you could leave a like so more people can enjoy Austin in the future. Now, if you're from Austin and you're like, this f***er has no idea what he's talking about,
You don't know what you're talking about.
or if you're a local business owner and you want me to include a place in the future, tell me. Leave a comment. Let me know what places I missed that I absolutely should have included. I would love to make a sequel to this video next time I'm back home in Austin, Texas.